Welcome to the Calypso tutorial series, a project by the Royal College Artificial Intelligence Club to help you unlock your creative potential with AI. In this first episode, we'll guide you step by step through creating your very own Leonardo AI account. Start by opening your preferred web browser and visiting Leonardo.ai. This is the official platform where you'll be able to create, customize, and generate stunning AI artwork. Once the homepage loads, click on the sign up button in the top right corner. You can register using your Google account, Microsoft account, or an email address. For this tutorial, we'll be using the email option. Enter your name, a valid email address, and create a secure password. Make sure your password includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. After clicking Sign Up, check your inbox for a verification email from Leonardo AI. Click the verification link to activate your account. Once verified, log into your account and you'll be greeted by the Leonardo AI dashboard, your creative command center where all the magic happens. And that's it, your Leonardo AI account is ready to use. In the next video, we'll explore how to start creating your first AI-generated artwork. This is the Calypso project by the Royal College Artificial Intelligence Club. Stay tuned.